Hello and welcome to the Roxburghe Group Vehicle Showcase. Today we're showcasing this Toyota CHR Dynamic. It's in black on a 2017 plate, this one, hybrid. So you can look at an amazing sort of 61.9 miles to the gallon. Really, really good on fuel. Lovely looking cars these, really nice. As you can see, it's got diamond cut alloy wheels. It's a 5-door. Really good looking cars these, very futuristic, very popular here. It's got parking sensors and a reverse camera. Really generous sized boot there, as you can see, with rear folding seats for additional space as and when required. Take a look in the back. As you can see there, it's got part leather seating. Really nice, lots and lots of room in these cars. And also you've got cup holders in the door panels there. You've got electric windows, front and rear. So moving to the front, as you can see, lots of space, and again, these fully adjustable parts leather sort of sports style seats there. Lots and lots of room in these cars. Come round to the front, as you can see, you've got the front parking sensors as well. Let's have a look inside here. So as you can see there, you've got a multifunction steering wheel, and this car has done 55,971 miles. So relatively low mileage there, as you can see. Just push button start, so as long as you get the key in your pocket, literally press the button and the car is started. Being a hybrid, obviously it's completely silent unless it needs to use the petrol engine, which it will either do when you reach a certain speed, or if it just wants to put a bit of extra charge back into the battery, like it's done now. As you can see, there's a little bit. You've got your automatic gearbox. Obviously you've got your armrest with storage space, I've just shown you. You've got a couple of cup holders here, one here, and one just in front. Moving up into your climate control. Really nice with heated seats as well. Fantastic for the winter. Might not need them at the moment, but I'm sure they'll come in handy when the winter comes. Your digital display with built-in satellite navigation system. Really nice, easy to use system this. Obviously settings for the car. Various other options. Audio is off at the minute, but this has got DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone, etc. Pop the car into reverse. You'll see here you've got a reverse camera, and obviously you've got your parking sensors as well, which will sound as you get near to objects. So really well equipped car this, in really good condition as well. And like I said, lots of space, very popular here. Always have a lot of people interested in these cars. So if you are interested, you can either visit our website or just give us a call today. Thank you.